What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are using Madam Glam. This is coconut and hibiscus from the August series, or the August collection. Sorry, you guys, I almost forgot. I do want to remind you guys that I personally recommend and love Madam Glam gel polishes. They are 21 and free, which means they're free of at least 21 toxins commonly found in nail polish. They're also vegan, cruelty-free, and palm oil-free, which means they're environment friendly. And the color selections, you guys, are like, wow. I recently did a website browsing for you guys, or with you guys, on one of my nail reserve videos, but I didn't really see if, I think that video really did get a lot of like positive reaction, but you guys didn't tell me how you enjoyed going on the website and looking at all the colors together. So if that's something that you enjoyed, go ahead and drop a comment down below and we can do it on the Madam Glam website. I was looking at this color, I'm like, wow, it's very similar to the one I chose today. It's like a really beautiful, perfect nude color. And the color on my nails, actually, I really love too. So, two beautiful nudes, yeah. Anyways, you guys, and then we did hibiscus. And these, I ran out of swatching sticks, so I'm waiting on some to come in. So I'm just swatching on a nail tip, which is like, oh, okay, whatever. But yeah, that color is really pretty too. It's given like, during the winter, the sweater nails, it's giving sweater nail vibes. So I think I'm going to create some sweater nails with these two colors. But in this video today, I saw these two colors, and the first thing I thought of when I first saw them was this new viral ombre French tip trend, which I know for sure you guys know what I'm talking about, because that's how big of a deal this trend is. And I am not really a wave runner when it comes to riding the waves of the trends. However, this is a genius look. It's a genius concept, and I have been on Instagram, and I've seen actually how some people do it. I don't think I did it correct because I forgot to like lay a layer of the polish first over the whole nail and cure it. So yeah, epic fail you guys are going to see in this video, which is fine. We've been on a streak of epic failure, which is like, how can you be mad? Failure is the key to success, if you ask me. Anyways, we have this bubble gum gel by 𝑒𝑛𝑎𝑙. And I'm trying to think while I'm doing this voiceover, because I'm actually releasing the unboxing of this product after this video, because I need to get my Madam Glam videos up. You guys, I'm so behind. But the products are so cool that I just want to be able to give them my undivided attention. And then the design ideas that I'm looking to do, like I want to do like hand-drawn nail art and do all this ombre stuff. And so I need time to do that, to like sit down and focus. So I've really been hustling, but for now we're just going to be using our bubblegum jelly. These tips are actually also from the haul that you guys are going to see me upload. I'll probably just upload it today and then hold off one of my other Madam Glam videos until tomorrow. It's so hard. Maybe you guys are gonna get a triple upload day today. That would be so epic, low-key. That would be like really nice. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna post this video tomorrow with the unboxing 𝑒𝑛𝑎𝑙. But yeah, so I finally invested into some of the bubble gum in clear, which is cool. I like the fact that the clear one comes in the black tub and then the pink one comes in the white tub, so you can easily tell them apart. And then these are the extreme square. I'm not exactly sure what tips these are, so just stay tuned for the unboxing and you guys will be able to have all the details. But overall, I was pretty satisfied with these. it's a little tricky because first you have to size up because they shrink. And then I did size up, but I almost wish that I would have just sized like a little less up. So these ones are tricky. The stiletto tips are very high apex. These ones are a medium high apex. So I guess it just depends, but I'm also learning how to not use too much of the bubblegum gel. If you do, it really burns when you cure it. But when you use the perfect amount, it doesn't really burn at all. So just a little, like a little nugget for you guys, or like a little learner's pro tip. But anyways, so we're going to go in with these two colors by Madam Glam. And overall, I did it wrong, I learned. But I think now that I know how to do it correctly, because I've been watching a lot of videos and I've been reposting them on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, you can go search me. It's at Scorpion Goddess Nails on Instagram. And yeah, no, I've been seeing that I did it wrong, because the whole time it's like you keep having like, well, for me, I kept having like a translucency, which was because I was trying to blend the colors. But that's why you need that base color over the whole nail. So then you just really have to add the other color to the other side and then blend it in. And of course, if you need to add more of the original color, you can blend that in too. So I actually already have planned out, I was gonna do 2 sets. Well, okay, I was gonna do this nail design on both hands, but with 2 different colors. So for this one, I was going to use these colors, and then for the other hand, I was going to use Nail Reserve Electric Pink and Electric Rose. I think that's what it's called. So I am going to be doing this again. And I also realized, like, I should have just done these as if they were press-ons. One reason I don't like to do them as press-ons is because once you have color over the nail, then it's hard to cure it with the bubblegum gel, because if you have translucency, it cures very easily. If you have very opaque color, then it's a little harder to cure. So that's the main reason why I just went ahead and cured on the tips. And I basically clipped the sidewalls and filed them fairly well. Yeah, they had a lot of excess, so I had to do that. Next time, I'm probably just going to size down. Now that I know how to use less product, it burns a lot less when I put my hand into the lamp, so that helps. And then I think it also causes the tips to shrink a lot less because there's not as much heat. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and enjoy this epic failure, you guys. I cannot wait to redeem myself. And anyways, how are you guys enjoying this influx of uploads? I'm really excited and happy. And it's been busy. As soon as I get done with this voiceover, I'm going to be headed straight over to film more. I have finally starting to feel like I'm getting a little bit of control over all of the packages that I have to unbox and film, and the sets that I have to create. There's one set that I really want to create, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet. I got this, I finally got my hands on some LED, some luminous, some glow-in-the-dark gel polish. So I don't know if anyone knows me and you've been watching my channel for a while, you may be able to guess what kind of nails I'm going to create. If you guess in the comments down below and you get it correct, I swear you have to comment down below correctly in this video, and then when I post the video where I actually do the set, you have to comment again and show me that you commented on this video. That's it, and I will go ahead and cash app you $25. No cap, you guys. If you know, you know. But I finally got my hands on some glow-in-the-dark gel polish. I'm extremely excited to use it. I hope it turns out to be great. It's going to be for a review, so you guys already know I am not going to hold back. If it's good, it's good. If it's not, I will be letting you guys know. Plus, you will see. And also, drop a comment and let me know how you're enjoying having me upload blog posts with my videos. Here's the final look. I did go ahead and matte them, And I grade myself fairly well, honestly, but I definitely have to improve. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and you will see another Madam Glam video soon using the Madam Glam pudding gels. I'm super excited. I love you guys so much. I holla. Peace.